Hi students, how are you? Shall we start the class? The chapter running is stoichiometry. The topic running is types of concentrations. In that, we have done various videos. Body parts per million. It is the weight of the solute present in 10 power 6 grams of solution. When you use this type of concentration, when the amount of solute is very negligible, when the amount of solute is very small, extremely small, then only this terminology is applied. What is the formula for it? Weight of the solute by weight of the solution into 10 power 6. See here, in some books it is given weight of the solvent. Please don't get confused. Weight of the solute by weight of the solvent they use. Why they use solvent also? Here, since solute is very small, it doesn't matter whether use solution or solvent in the case of a denominator. Here one more point, see here million per million. Million means how much? 10 power 6. 10 power 6. 10 lakh grams of content has 5 grams of poisonous chemical. 10 power 6 grams of sugar has 5 grams of poison. It is called 5 ppm poison. It is not only in the case of chemistry, for general applications also ppm terminology is applied. I will give you an example. Say 10 lakh patients have been tested in the COVID hospital. 10 lakh. 10 lakh means how many patients? 10 power 6. When tested, out of 10 lakh, only 8 got COVID positive, remaining are negative. So how many COVID cases are reported? 8 only. Out of 10, 8 only got positive. So it is called 8 ppm COVID positive. This is being used by WHO, World Health Organization. What is the use of the ppm? It is generally expressed for showing air pollution and water pollution. Water and air may contain contaminants, small contents. Sometimes they may be poisonous, sometimes they may be non-poisonous, harmless. Each content, whether it is harmless or harmful, doesn't matter. The content, each content in the water or air are expressed in ppm only. I will show small problems. 10 power 8 grams of air contains 5 grams of dust. Express the air pollution in the ppm. What is the answer? See, weight of the air, 10 crore grams, 10 power 8 grams of air is there. How many grams of dust? 5 grams of dust. Apply the formula. Weight of the solute. What is solute here? Dust. 5 grams you substitute here. Next, what is the weight of the air? 10 power 8. 10 power 8 grams of solution. Some students get a doubt. Solution, this air. Please understand that air is a solution. It is a gaseous solution. Say here 5 grams by 10 power 8 into 10 power 6. What is the answer here? This is the answer. This problem can be solved simply. See here, second method. 10 power 8 grams of air has 5 grams of dust. ppm means what? Per million, parts per million. 10 power 6 grams of air, how much? Imagine 10 power 8 grams, 5 grams, 10 power 6 grams, million. Million means 10 power 6. How many grams of dust is there? Here only. This is the answer. This is about air pollution problem. I will show you one water pollution problem. 1 liter of air contains 0.4 grams of dirt. Express the water pollution in the ppm. Answer. Density. Density of water, mass by volume. What is density of pure water? 1 gram per ml. What is weight of the water bottle? 1 liter. Say here, how many ml? 1 liter, 1000 ml. How to convert these 1000 ml into grams? 1000 grams, because density 1. How many grams of dirt is there? 0.4 grams. Take the formula. Weight of the dirt, there is a solute. Weight of the solution, see water, only water. Okay. How much you take? 1 liter means 1000 grams. Substitute here. 0.4 by 1000 grams into 10 power 6. What is the answer? See here, 400. The drinking water has 0 to 5 ppm. If the water pollution is 0 to 5 ppm, we can drink the water. If water has more than 5 ppm, 4 to 5 to 10 ppm, it is a tap water. Here 400 ppm, it is nothing but drainage water, not suitable for drinking water. Like that, the water pollution, the ppm level itself indicates water pollution. Like similarly, the ppm level, more ppm is there, more pollution is there. That is the index. We are concluding the session today. Let us meet in the next class. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.